Alright guys, we got Norfolk Southern 20 in at Cooke Road in Columbus, Ohio. My favorite train passing through Columbus, Ohio. It's always short. Need to put a heritage in on Norfolk Southern 20 in. Whoa, he's pretty short. Man, it's freezing outside. That was Norfolk Southern 20 in. It came from Columbus, Ohio, and it's going to Detroit, Michigan. Also, I have run from Rail Gamer Productions that Norfolk Southern 178 doesn't run in the mornings anymore. It only runs in the afternoons. And I'm not here in the afternoons very often at Cooke Road. But Norfolk Southern 179 still runs in the morning still, but I think he's already gone now because what you call it, Joey, my friend Joey said it passed through like Hague at 5 in the morning. Okay, fine, that's all for now.